There it is, and it's a good one. Nice. All right. Here we go, it got bumped. Oh yeah, something's trying to eat him. There he goes, he's got it. Back out here again, so I'm going crappie fishing today. Crappie, you know, and more, maybe, I don't know. Main target's crappie, but I'm gonna goof around with some other stuff too, see if we can catch some other things. Got the cooler in the front hatch, gonna keep some fish if we can catch them. Got some minnows in the live bait tank behind me. The main plan here is to throw out minnows under slip float. So I got a few rods, like I said, though, rigged up. This is the main deal, though. Got our slip float here. That's a size 6 Aberdeen hook. This unlucky guy is gonna go on the end of. Got about a foot of leader to a swivel, which goes up to a 16th ounce weight and a 16th ounce float. And about 6 feet, 6.5 feet, 6 feet, I'd say, up the line, we got our bobber stop. So that's gonna suspend this minnow about 6 feet down from the surface under the float. Throw that out there and wait for a fish to take that minnow and pull the bobber under. Last time I was here, it was an accident. I didn't mean to do it, but it was fun either way. We caught a bullhead catfish. I'm mostly out here to crappie fish, but thought, what else can we do, you know? So I'm gonna I got a number 1 circle hook here. I got a night crawler. We've got a swivel and a 3/4 ounce stinker down to that circle hook. I'm gonna just drop this down off the side of the kayak. And yeah, that's just gonna sit there. I don't know if we're ever gonna catch one. Let's just sit there and see if anything happens with that. Hey, we got one. We finally caught a crappie. Good keeper size one too. Ooh, okay, let's keep working this area. That's a nice big one too, don't come off. Ooh. That is, I'm gonna call that a slab, buddy. All right, so we found some crappie. Let's see if we can catch more. Yes, okay. Nice big one. Nice big one. That is the target species. It's what we've been looking for all day. We've not been able to find them, and now we finally caught one, and it's a real good one. I'm seeing a ton of fish under me. If it's all these guys, we may start catching them kind of rapid fire here, which would be pretty sweet. Ooh, we got another hit. We got another hit. Yep. Yes, feels good too. Yep. Ah, nice, another solid keeper. Okay, all right, I think we found the zone. Okay. Oh! You have a fish. I was untangling my other rod. Yeah, that guy's kind of borderline, but I'm gonna keep him. Oh yeah, there they are. I see them. There's a ton of them under me. We're back on the school. There's another one. Nice, this one feels good. Hell yeah. Nice size one, another big one, big slab. Sweet, okay. Give me my hook back, bro. All right, another good size one right there. We just passed over a big group of them. It's funny how they're just in this huge pod. There we go, there goes the bobber. You got one? Feels small. Yeah, too small to keep. Just get him out of here. As quick as we can. Let's see, they're right under us right now. See the float? There it goes. There it goes. Sick. All right, mangled my hook trying to get it out of that fish. He was gut hooked. He's not really a good size keeper, but I'm keeping him. Ooh, there was a good hit. We got one. Feels like a good size one. Maybe not. Oh, it is. It is. Alright. Sick. Good size one. Right over the big school again. Where we were. We kind of still are. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Damn it. It's like a mad dash to get it down there when you know you're over them. Wow, that minnow is pretty fucked up. Let's get a better one on there. That's like moving better and his face doesn't look destroyed. Still got quite a few of them. Still got at least, probably at least a dozen. There it goes. Yep, good one, good one. I think, oh yeah. Well, good enough. He felt a little bigger than he actually is, but he's a keeper. We are on him. We are on him. Trying to keep getting rebaited and stuff as quickly as I can and trying not to drift too far. Oh, they're under us right now. This is not a big lake. It's kind of funny to me. How many crappies can there be in here? Because the limit on harvesting them is like, it's like 30 a day or something, I think. And people fish here like a lot, and I see a lot of people that really know what they're doing, like trolling for these things. I mean, like fishing efficiently and like just hauling them in nonstop. And they're just, I don't understand how there are so many. They're under me here. I got them under me. There we go. Oh, missed him. Missed him. We had one. He dropped it though, or he let go, or however he had it in his mouth when I reeled up. Hook didn't catch him. All right, camera's overheating. It's on for a second here. I just got a real nice one, real good one. It's probably gonna turn back off because it's hot. No fish bit for a little while there, and then I was right over them, and I put on a real, you know, a fresh minnow, and I was able to drop it right into the thick of them, and got bit right away. So they definitely are preferring a nice lively minnow. Right here. Picked it up right at the, there we go. See if I can get him off of here and get. He's barely got the hook in his lip. So come on! Don't go crazy. Sweet, we're almost at our goal here. There we go. There we go. There was a hit. Take it down. Take it down. Come on, buddy. He wants to. Ooh. Nice. Another one. Nice freshie. Let's see if it goes, if they eat that quickly. Oh yeah. Somebody's on it. Ah, we lost him. Probably a smaller fish. That's okay. He's hitting it again. There he goes. That one's got it. Oh, and it's a big one. Nice. Not that big, but keeper. Oh! Lost him. Shit. That one felt big when I first had him. I think that he kind of wrapped the line around himself, and I was kind of bringing him up sort of broadside. So kind of the same way often a snagged fish will feel really big. I think that's what happened with that one. Something's trying to eat the minnow right now. Bobber's not going under, but it's going out. Like it grabbed it and it's swimming away with it, but he hasn't taken it under. Somebody's got it. Yep. That's big enough to keep. Come on, let go. Getting a bite is so focused on staying right over this school. Like I just back paddled like 3 feet. Now all of a sudden I can see a shit ton of them on the screen again. That's all crappie. All of that. This is all happening in 10 to 12 feet of water. My camera keeps overheating, so I have two. I gotta keep switching them, putting one in the, getting one out of the sun. But anyway, we just got another fish. I'm not seeing a fish here or there, but the school's not under us. Oh, but there goes the bobber. It went on its side. I think he's got it. I don't know, he might have let go of it. We just had a fish. That's all right, maybe he'll bite again. The camera overheats, I catch a fish. Like I want it to overheat almost now. Good one. Get my other camera on. This guy doesn't flop it to death with well, it's staying on right now. This camera's staying on. Maybe I don't have to switch. Anyway, let's get this fish unhooked and get another minnow down there. That's a good size one too. All right. Switch cameras. The camera keeps overheating. As I've already said, I'm sure probably numerous times, but it's kind of funny that every time it happens, it seems like I catch a fish. I think that makes 12 fish. So I think we're good on food for the in-laws for a fish fry. 12, I mean 14 would be good too, but I feel like it was 12 minimum. There we go, there's the bite. There it is, and it's a good one. Nice. All right. Oh, no. Oh, that was the best fight we've gotten so far from one of these guys. We're mostly catching keepers. Not really catching too many dinks, which is kind of cool. Come on. Oh, that minnow's right in them. Here we go, it got bumped. Oh yeah, something's trying to eat him. There he goes, he's got it. Okay. Good one too. Pretty good one. Alright, now I just don't want to leave. I'm just being a typical, like, you know, last cast. Oh, I got one, I didn't know I had him. God, they're just so thick. I just can't even leave. I only got 2 more minnows. Probably gonna be late to meet my in-laws. My wife's gonna be annoyed with me, but this is too fun. We're just catching too many fish. There he goes. Okay, no more fish. I gotta go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if that was 5 or 6 more. It was 5. I don't know. We've got at least like 14 of these guys in here. So that whole cooler full is basically, that cooler's basically solid with them. So. Yeah, good haul. First part of the day didn't go that well. It took a long time to find the fish, but we did find them. And that's really what counts in the end. So we got probably 14, 15 crappies in the cooler. We caught them on live minnows, small shiners, and under a slip float rig. Thanks for coming with me. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye.